Alright guys, I'm going to run my raffle here. Thank you all for getting in. Good luck. 902. I'm going to go live. We are live. 902. 902. Grab a list. Oh, hang on. Let me try that again. Alright, there we go. Alright, got the list. Drop it in. 20 spots. Jim on the bottom. Chuck up top. Alright, 2 dice, 5 or higher. 8's good, 8 times. Here we go, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 times. Dice is at 8. Next click, top spot. Good luck. And 8. Congrats. Bill Herman, spot number 13. You are the winner. Get in touch with me, and I will get those out to you. We are done. 903. We will type done. We are done. 903. 903. Verification. Timestamp.